Consider that we print around 25,000, from 25,000 to 30,000 different parts every day. It will be impossible to manage these parts without an efficient workflow. I think that AM Solution machines are the only solution at the moment to solve this problem. The collaboration with the AM Solution has been very positive and profitable for Weerg, because we found a supplier who was able to follow our needs, our requests, and very involved in what they are doing. The result is very positive, and the finish that we can get from their machines is really good.